Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Make sure Windows is updated and you're signed in with an administrator account so changes apply system-wide. Once done, close the Photos app and any image viewers to avoid file locks. Then open PowerShell as admin. This gives the tools to repair apps. Run the reset command for Photos next. This clears app state while preserving your files. I'll explain why reset works and what to expect when the app restarts. Next, try the built-in repair option in app settings because it fixes corrupt caches quickly. Open Photos afterward to test behavior. If repair doesn't resolve it, uninstall Photos via PowerShell to remove broken packages, then reinstall from the Microsoft Store so you get a fresh copy. As an advanced step, re-register the Photos package with the provided PowerShell command. This rebuilds the app registration and resolves missing manifests. Make sure to run PowerShell as admin and wait for completion before testing. Finally, if issues persist, perform a second reset to clear residual settings, and then create a new Windows user to determine whether the problem is profile-specific. This isolates corrupt user data. Make sure file permissions, ACL, allow your account to read images, and confirm codecs are present for uncommon formats. If it still fails, open Event Viewer to capture errors and note exact messages. If you see access denied or missing package errors, use those details for targeted fixes or to report for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.